welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing for you all new products from a very new brand that I recently came across, and I wanted to share my thoughts on that. Since festive season has started, we all want to look flawless and we want that good skin. So investing in a good skincare according to your skin type and your skin concern is the best way to go forward with. These products are from Oriental Botanics and they work for all skin types, but people with acne prone skin or oily skin type would definitely love it the most. So without wasting any more time, let's just start with the review. And just before starting the review, if you're watching me for the very first time, hi, I'm Mansi. I make videos regarding makeup, beauty, skincare. I do a lot of skincare and makeup reviews, and I also do a lot of haul videos. If you are interested in watching such content, you can definitely hit the subscribe button. If you have been watching my videos but haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. And now let's just start with the review. So the products that I'm going to be reviewing today are these two. These are from Oriental Botanics, and this one is the aloe vera green tea and cucumber peel off mask, and this one is the Australian tea tree serum. I will be talking in detail about both of these products, and I will also be showing a demo on my face and the benefits of these products. Talking about the first product, this is how the first product looks like. It is from Oriental Botanics, like I mentioned earlier, and it is the aloe vera green tea and cucumber peel off mask. And the best part about this brand is that first of all, it is made in India, and second of all, they have no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil and no sulfate. So this is really great for the skin. All of their products have no parabens and everything, and it suits all skin types. It is 100 ml packaging, and this is a basic cardboard packaging. Now I will be showing you all how the actual product looks like. This is how it looks. It comes in a tube packaging, has an opening right here, and from here you can just squeeze out the product. Talking about the ingredients of this mask, as it says, it has aloe vera, green tea and cucumber. Now all of these three ingredients are really good for our skin, and it works wonderfully well for all skin types, but it would definitely work the best for oily skin types because of these three ingredients. Now I'll be talking about these three ingredients in detail. The first one is aloe vera, and we all know that aloe vera has a lot of skin benefits. Aloe vera gives a very calming and soothing effect to our skin. It acts as a good moisturizer, and it nourishes our skin really well. The second ingredient is green tea. We all know that green tea has antioxidant in it, and it helps in premature aging. It also works on acne scars and on acne. It helps in reducing the redness and inflammation, and it works wonderfully well as a moisturizer because green tea has a lot of minerals and vitamins in it, and it has a very strong component of vitamin E, which acts as a really good moisturizer. The third ingredient is cucumber. Now cucumber, we all know, gives a very radiant and glowing skin because it has a very cooling properties, and it really soothes and calms out the skin. Talking about the price point of this product, this retails for 349 rupees. You can definitely check this product online for better discount. I will be dropping the brand's website, Oriental Botanics, in my description box, and also I have a 15% off coupon code for you all. I will be dropping that code somewhere on the screen here and also in my description box, so don't forget to check it out and grab that additional 15% off. Before showing you all the actual application on my face, let me show you all how the product looks like and its texture. So it is pretty thick, like you can see, and it easily spreads with your finger. It is not that runny. Since it has all the three cooling ingredients, it has a very refreshing and soothing fragrance to it, and once applied on the face, it gives you a very tingly effect at first, and then it gives a very cooling effect, which I really love. I would advise you to apply a thick layer of it onto your face so that it's very easy to, peel it off, and it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to dry up completely. Now let's quickly see the application of this product, and then we'll move on to the next product. Like you saw while while I was taking off the mask, it came out really easily because I had applied thick layer of it, and I would advise you to do the same. Now, peel off mask like these comes really handy when you are running short of time, and since it's festive season, you just need to pamper your skin. The ingredients are so soothing and calming for the skin. You should definitely give it a try. Peel off masks are really good because it's still free. You just apply it and take it off. You don't need extra water or something. You can also apply it while traveling as well. So I would highly recommend you all to give this product a try. Next up, I have this product, which is the Australian Tea Tree Serum. It is specifically for acne prone and oily skins. How the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the actual product looks like. I really love the teeny tiny cute packaging of it. It is a glass bottle, comes with a dropper like this, and it is so tiny and so cute. Also, this is a 20 ml product and retails for 1500 rupees, but like I mentioned earlier, you can definitely check it online on Oriental Botanics as well as on Amazon for better price and discount. And also you can use my coupon code 15% you'll get off. The code will be in the description box. Let me show you all the consistency of this product. So I've taken 2 to 3 drops of it. I think because of my mehendi it's not visible, but yeah, I have taken 2 to 3 drops of it and I'm massaging it really well. It absorbs into the skin very quickly and leaves your skin hydrated, soft and supple. Since it has tea tree extract and few other ingredients in it, I'm not a big fan of the fragrance, but I definitely love the texture of it. Now I'll quickly show you all the application of this product, and then we'll talk about the key ingredient of this product. This product is tea tree. Now tea tree works wonderfully well on oily skin type, and it works on acne, it works on reducing the acne marks, and it also works on redness, any itchiness or puffiness and inflammation on the skin. Since it works on reducing acne marks, it definitely gives you an even tone and brightened skin. This ingredient also gives a nice boost of hydration and nourishes your skin from within. Tea tree is a magical ingredient for oily skin and acne prone skin type people. If you have been facing acne issues, or you have acne marks, or if you have oily skin, you would definitely love this product. You can use this product twice a day, both in your morning and nighttime skincare routine, and for the mask you can apply it once a week and you will definitely see a lot of difference in your skin. I have been using both of these products from last 15 days now, and I really love them. This peel off mask came really handy and I enjoyed it the most. It gave me such a cooling effect, and now since festive season has started, we have a lot to do. We have a house cleaning, we have a lot of shopping to be done, we have literally a lot of things to do, and you know, in all that hustle your skin tends to go very dull. So this has given me instant glow and a very calming and soothing effect. So I really love this mask. And talking about this serum, it has definitely worked on subsiding the acne marks that I had. So that was my mini and quick review for you all. I hope you really enjoyed watching this, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, be a part of my virtual fam, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.